Hey, this is Sam from Tresidio Homes. Today I want to show you how to change the filter inside of your sprinkler head. So you got to pull up your sprinkler and then twist the head off, and inside of that you've got a little filter. And now this filter will get sand and some debris in it every now and then because it's the irrigation water. Now if you drop it in like I did, you probably want to get a tool like this, the Rainbird. They're little pliers, but to get that back out, you're gonna put it in and then grip, and it will pull that pipe back out for you. After you clean out your filter, stick it back in there, twist the cap back on, and you're done.